You can now rank your website within a few days. Yes, you listened correctly. Chat GPT has crushed every SEO tool. After the launching of Chat GPT, now a lot of extensions are appearing in the market, but the one I am sharing with you is totally awesome. You can now optimize your content, write your content and find keywords with just one click. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, go to Google Chrome. Search a prompt for Chat GPT SEO extension. Here you will get the first link. Open it and add extension to Google Chrome. After extension is added, you will get hundreds of prompts. These prompts are clues for Chat GPT. You have to put keywords only and give only one click to prompt. This process is just a click away. Let's do it practically. I will select ordered existing content for SEO prompt. After selecting the prompt, I will just copy and paste the whole article here. Now, wait for a few seconds to see the magic. Boom! Chat GPT has created and ordered for your content and also a clickbait title for your blog. In this way you can optimize your content in just one click. On the other hand, you have hundreds of prompts and you can try all. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to it if you want more content like this.